Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a wired keyboard and mouse to your iPad. So this is very easy to do. What you need is an adapter. So I have an adapter that's USB-C to USB, and then I'm just using this USB hub because I have 4 additional USB ports, and then I have my mouse and my keyboard plugged in, and I just plug it in. So this is a OTG adapter that's USB-C to USB, and then I have this USB hub that provides me 4 additional ports. Or you can just buy the iPad dock, which will be good too, and then you just plug this in where it charges, and then I can move my mouse around, and you should be able to see my mouse cursor move, so you can see on the screen. And then if I go to like the internet or something like this, I can just open this up right here. Let's go to Safari. And then I should be able to just go to, here's facebook.com. Let's go ahead and just type something in. And, it worked right there. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.